Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has urged Kalangut police to take strict action against women soliciting on the roads of Kalangut at night. This is spoiling the name of Kalangut. He assured full support, with an NGO and women's group also ready to assist the police. Lobo emphasized that the Kalangut police inspector must take personal interest to resolve the issue. He also alleged that such undesirable activities were also going on in some spas.
म्हाका कोणीतरी एक हिंट दिला पण की बाबा अशें कितें चलता आनी तुजे कडेन कितें प्रूफ आहा की हे मनशांक उमको मनीस सपोर्ट करता. We will not tolerate anybody standing on the road for that purpose. जो तर अशें कितें आहा जाल्यार आमी तियाक सांगलेलें आहा की इमिडिएटली तांकां लेडी पुलीस हाडून काडपाचें म्हणून. आनी जे कितें ताका हेल्प जावं आमचे वाटेनसून ऑर NGOचे वाटेनसून म्हाका दिसता वी आर ऑल रेडी टू हेल्प. एनीबडी इज रेडी टू हेल्प. Even the ladies group from Kalangut are ready to help. Nobody wants unwanted elements to stand on the road to create problem for the locals and also for the tourists.
Sir, प्रत्येक फंक्शनाक अथवा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन तुम्ही प्रत्येक वेळा याचेर आवाज करता की टाउट्स वाढला किंवा प्रोस्टिट्यूशन वाढला, डान्स क्लब याचे पण पयलीं खूप बोवाळ केला पण स्टील अजून जैसे थे आसा की
See, those unwanted so-called dance bars have been removed. ते गेल्ले आहा पण तेचे भायर जे आता कितें स्पाज जे जेन्युइन स्पाज आहा तेचेर अगेन्स्ट आमी ना. जे डुबियस स्पाज आहा जे अशे कितें फ्रंट्स आहा फॉर प्रोस्टिट्यूशन should be stopped. So pollution control board, village panchayat, police, NGO हे घेऊन आम्ही हेचेर कारवाई करतले 100%. There is no doubt. The other day I have called PI Kalangut and told him about one particular spa when I got some information about that spa in Baga that some wrong activities happening inside. So immediately police have brought those people over there, whoever were trying to negotiate with customer. And म्हाका दिसता हितून जे गायड हा इलिगल गायड हे मोठ्या प्रमाणात इन्वॉल्व जाता. अशे कस्टमराक सांगपाक की ये मिलेगा अंदर वो मिलेगा अंदर आणि ते पयशे घेऊन चालले.
Like, subscribe and get notified.